Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing my nighttime skincare routine. But first, let me tell you, I initially thought of filming my entire evening routine, but then मुझे time नहीं मिला, so I decided to stick to my nighttime skincare routine instead. By the way, this isn't just any skincare routine. This is my weekly pampered nighttime routine, जो मैं usually Sunday को करती हूँ. But since I am filming this for you guys, मैं आज इसे Saturday को कर रही हूँ. So let's get started. To start, I always begin with DHL cleansing oil. It's an excellent first step in my skincare routine. Today, I don't have a lot of makeup on, just some concealer, blush, and mascara. But trust me, this cleansing oil works like magic. Even if you're wearing heavy makeup, it melts away everything, including waterproof mascara, without irritating my skin or leaving behind that oily residue. I like to massage it gently into my skin for about 30 to 60 seconds. Not to mention, it really breaks down any dirt, SPF, or leftover product. I always take my time to get around my nose and chin too, where oil and makeup can build up. After massaging it, I wash it off with lukewarm water and my skin feels so fresh and soft. Honestly, this oil is a game changer, especially for someone with dry skin like me. Next up is my Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. This is my holy grail for second cleanse because it's super gentle, doesn't foam too much, and is perfect for dry skin. It helps remove any leftover cleansing oil or dirt without stripping my skin of its natural moisture. I make sure to massage this for 30 seconds as well, focusing on areas where I applied makeup earlier. Then I rinse it off with water and my skin feels clean, hydrated and ready for next step. Now for a deep exfoliation, I use the ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution once a week. This step is a must for me to clear out any dead skin and clogged pores. It's a blend of alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid that works to resurface my skin and give it that glow. I apply a thin even layer to my face, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for no more than 7 to 8 minutes. You might feel a slight tingle, but that's totally normal. Just be sure to patch this before using this product for the first time. After rinsing, my skin feels super smooth and I can already see the glow coming through. It's like a mini facial at home. After exfoliating, I go in with the Tony Moly Ceramide Toner to restore hydration and balance to my skin. This toner is packed with ceramides, which are amazing for repairing the skin barrier and keeping your skin plump and hydrated. I love how lightweight and soothing it feels. I prefer using my hands for this step because it feels more calming, but you can also use a cotton pad if you would like. This step is all about bringing hydration back into the skin. Next, I use the Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence, one of my all-time favorites. It's packed with snail secretion filtrate, which might sound unusual, but trust me, it's a miracle worker for hydration and skin repair. It helps fade dark spots, soothe out my skin, and gives me that radiant glow. I take about 2-3 pumps and gently pat it onto my skin. It absorbs quickly without feeling sticky, and my skin instantly feels plump and refreshed. This essence is a savior if you have dull or tired skin. After my skin is prepped with the Snail Mucin Essence, I move on to the L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum, a hydration powerhouse. This serum contains pure hyaluronic acid, which is amazing for drawing moisture into the skin and locking it in. I take about 3-4 drops and apply it onto slightly damp skin, gently pressing it in. Trust me, this step makes a huge difference. My skin immediately feels soft, hydrated and plump. Next, I move on to taking care of my under eye area, and for that I use L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Serum. The skin around our eyes is super delicate and often shows the first signs of tiredness or aging, so this step is non-negotiable in my routine. It also comes with a cooling metal applicator, which feels so refreshing and soothing, especially after a long day. To lock everything in, I use the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hour Moisturizer. It's a lightweight gel cream that delivers intense hydration and leaves my skin feeling soft and dewy. It's perfect for dry skin like mine. I take a pea-sized amount and massage it gently all over my face and neck. The texture feels silky smooth and it glides on the skin effortlessly. Despite being a super hydrating, it does not feel greasy or heavy, just refreshing and soothing, which is exactly what I want at the end of the day. I love how it instantly makes my skin feel soft, bouncy, and deeply nourished. The final step of my nighttime routine is pampering my lips, and for that, I use the Laneige Lip Slapping Mask, an absolute favorite of mine for soft, hydrated lips. This step is the cherry on top of my pampering routine, ensuring my lip stays as hydrated and healthy as my skin. And that's my weekly pamper night routine. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay glowing.